Let's look at manufacturing. This is the manufacturing control room, and the dashboards here include daily production, yield, scrap, breakdowns and shutdowns, work in process, master production scheduling, and material requirements planning. Let's review daily production. The first chart displays the planned quantity versus the actual quantity. The time buckets can be set at days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. The filters let you see the production data by several dimensions, including machine, operation, resource, product category, product line, and product. The second row of these key performance indicators displays a Pareto chart by plant on the left and a Pareto chart by shop floor department on the right. The third row of key performance indicators displays a Pareto chart by machine on the left and by operation on the right. The next row of key performance indicators displays a Pareto chart by resource on the left and by product category on the right. The fifth row displays a Pareto chart by product line on the left and by product on the right. The last row displays a Pareto chart by customer. At the bottom of the page, there are buttons that let you save as Excel, save as a PDF, and view a table of the data that is driving the dashboards. Next, we'll review the finance dashboards.